with the respect, the appreciation of GIP. When you think about GIP, what are they known for? They invest in major and larger projects than we did in infrastructure, like Gatwick Airport and Sydney Airport.
So social media was agog some few weeks or days ago when it was announced that Bayo Ogunlesi's private equity firm, General Infrastructure Partners, was bought by BlackRock for $12.5 billion. And I went to do a bit of research and I found out something that was a kind of a pattern from the investments that he was making with GIP, his private equity firm. And many people know him as the guy that bought Gatwick. Actually, he didn't buy Gatwick, he bought a majority share. You could say he's the owner. But that was not only the airport or the only airport that he bought. He bought the London City Airport, he bought Edinburgh Airport, and then he bought a rail service infrastructure. And if you notice a theme in his investments, all of his major investments were real estate investment, because it was the land, it was the infrastructure, it was everything around how it runs. And it's very, very important for you guys to know that real estate is a cliched saying, but real estate is the only business that is real. You know, it's tangible, it's something you can feel, it's something you can touch, it's something you can interact with. And so in all your investing, the guy with the $1 billion payout was the guy that focused on real estate. Another thing that's very, very important is the fact that he started his private equity firm 2006. Then he bought Gatwick. You know, he started the buying spree around 2012. So if you look at the time between when he started and now, it's almost 20 years. And the second thing that I always tell investors, don't be in a hurry. A lot of people are making decisions for the next 1 year. Those people are even good. People are looking to make, ROI. They want to make investment decisions for the next month. How does that work? You need to be able to realize that God keeping all of us alive, you're going to be here in 10 years, you're going to be here in 20 years. The moves he made in 2012 is what is the $12 billion payout today. And at the end of the day, make hay while the sun shines. He who is hasty, it will only lead to poverty. And then another thing you should know is that airport infrastructure in a mega city, you can never go wrong with that combo. And that's why all of the major investments around Lagos Airport. London is, a mega city. Is actually a city that is over 10 million people. Lagos is 22 million, 24 million, projected to hit 30 million by 2030. Then compare it with London. The rankings of the top 10 major mega cities in the world. Every time I go to the Heathrow Airport, you literally need to take a train to get to your gate after your terminal, from your terminal to your gate. So that sort of transport infrastructure in a mega city, you can never go wrong with it. And so if you see us telling you guys, invest in places like Alari City, Ekpe, along that Lekki-Ekpe corridor. Lekki is played out. Look at these areas, because as Lagos continues to expand, the airport starts up there, you're just going to see a huge economies of scale and huge infrastructure and huge investment potential in the fact that, yes, it's an airport that is in a mega city and it's fast urbanizing. It's growing massively. So tap into it. So we can sing wonderful as I hustle like Adebayo, Ogunlesi, but these are the lessons you can take from him. Biding your time, investing in real estate, investing in a mega city, and investing in transport infrastructure, close to the transport infrastructure. And maybe in just 5 or 10 years, you would have your $1 billion payout. Thank you very much for watching. This is the Ownahome NGTV show. Here at Ownahome, we believe owning a home, owning a property should not make you lose sleep. So we are committed to giving you the very best property recommendations and insider real estate. Thank you so very much for watching. Kindly like, kindly share, kindly subscribe, and I'll see you at the very next video. Bye-bye.
Why are you willing to give up your life's work and go to work for BlackRock?
Obviously, we've been reasonably successful at what we do, and I completely agree with Larry. This is going to be the golden age of infrastructure investing, both in terms of the need for capital as well as investors who want that capital, okay?